Hello, so this is STC, or Short Text Conversation. This is a new pilot task for NTCIR-12. The organizers are these people from Huawei Noah's Ark Lab, based in Hong Kong, and myself from Waseda University. So this is about microblogs, microblog data, like Twitter or Weibo. Weibo is basically Chinese Twitter, and it already has over 40 million users. So for example, this is a Weibo page of one of the organizers, Han Li. And he's a very famous researcher, so he has like 42,000 followers. So this is his post. So what is short text conversation, STC? I'll give you a couple of examples. So this is a post by someone from Tsinghua University. He says, Dr. Han Li's, the second edition of Dr. Han Li's book is out. So this is the original post. And Han Li himself happens to respond to the original post by saying, I've added some new contents to the second edition. So this is the post, this is a comment, and this interaction makes sense. So this comment is both coherent and useful. A second example, I don't know if you recognize this person. This is Aoi Sora, a Japanese actress who's very popular in China, and she happened to say in Chinese, referring to her new haircut, she said, "How's the hair?" in Chinese. And some stupid person responded, he said, "I don't have any hair." So this is a semantically coherent comment. The post-comment interaction is, semantically okay, but obviously not useful, at least to this original author of the post. So this is an example of a coherent but not useful comment. So the objectives, the ultimate objective for us is to build this guy who can interact naturally with people with short text. The objective for NTCIR-12 and possibly 13 is to build an information retrieval system that effectively reuses past comments from a repository to respond to a post. So like I mentioned, there are two axes. One is coherence. The post-comment pair should make sense as a consecutive short text exchange between two people. And also, hopefully, the comment should also be useful to the author of the original post. Again, so the task setting is like this. We have a new post, and given this post, we should search the repository and maybe return a few of these green boxes and see if any of them are useful and coherent. So it's quite a simple IR task. The organizers at Huawei, they have already gotten hold of the Weibo data. So as soon as you register, you can actually have the Weibo data, posts and comments. Since this is basically an information retrieval task, given a post, return coherent and useful comments, rank them. So we will do pooling, relevance assessments as usual, except that we have these coherence and usefulness axes, and we will evaluate using, for example, expected reciprocal rank, which basically emphasizes the first few good answers. We already have a plan for the next round, NTCIR-13. We will try to ensure that we will quantify the progress over these two rounds. So Generation 1 systems against the Generation 2 systems, the progress will be measured using the same data set at the next round. The registration is open, and we will keep it open until possibly October, but since we are giving you the data as soon as you register, we suggest that you do it as soon as possible. And that concludes my introduction to STC. Thank you.